welcome to my channel, and today I'm sharing you guys my Target Ibotta haul. It's already the 2nd. I finished level 1 and level 2 between my shopping in the last 2 days. That's awesome. I'm hoping you guys do it. Right now I think Ibotta's a little slow, but hey, they might be picking up on us as time goes on. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got from Target. Now if you guys notice, I just posted a shop with me dollar spot. I was so excited to look at all these items. I'm like, you know what, I have my camera, I'm just gonna do a little video. There was people like everywhere around me while I'm trying to film, and they're just looking at me, and I'm like, hey, sorry, you know. So I did the best I could to show you guys everything that I found, and then I'm here to share with you guys what I got for the dollar spot and for Ibotta. So I'm just going to knock this out. This is not included in my total that I got from Target. But I ended up getting this notebook that says Boss Notes. I really like it. I like it how it's pink. I like it how I can, because when I do my breakdowns, I always have this clipboard with me. And sometimes I don't like people like reading what I write or certain things. And here I can kind of maneuver something. But it does say write it down, but I don't really need the notebook. But I'm pretty excited to use something like this. And one thing I do like about it is it does wrap up. So that's something. This was $3. I thought, you know what, it's perfect for when I do my couponing hauls. I've always wanted to play road trip bingo, and I was pretty excited to find these, especially for $1. I've seen some at the Dollar Tree, but they were kind of cheap. But I do like these, how they just slide. So you guys can do that. So I got 4 different cards. I don't know if they're all different. Looks like they're all different. I thought this would be a great thing to play in the future, so when we have them I can just keep them in the van. But pretty cute, you know, super easy, and these are easy to pack. So these were each $1. So I got those. I ended up getting, oh, I forgot to bring it. I can go upstairs and get it. But I ended up, we're doing an Easter egg hunt for Ben's birthday. His birthday is not till September, but I'm starting to find stuff now because why not? So I thought these would be cute little things to stuff in the eggs for his party. So these were just $1. They're little stretchable sharks. Here's some finger puppets. There's 6 of them in here. These were $1. They were dinosaurs. And then I also got little monkeys, so I was pretty excited about that. And then I got some of these like little superhero guys, but these guys were on 50% off, so I got this for $1.50. But I'm gonna go get the other thing that I got. And then the other item I got, now I think this is super cute. I've been eyeing this up actually for a while. It's a little, sorry my kids, Benjamin, if you can't stop, you're going upstairs. So this is like a little felt thing, and then here are some letters. So this was $5. I thought this was kind of cute to hang up. So if I ever want to sing just my husband or something.
Mommy, what's it best for you to draft on it?
You don't need that.
Why?
Because you're a big kid.
I'm not a big kid.
So we got that, and then they had extra letters, and they had some other stuff, but I thought I would get extra letters, and the extra letters were only $1. So I'm pretty excited for something like this. Even if I wanted to do a little saying around the house and changing up, I thought, why not do something like that? But here, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Okay, so the first item I got is the eggs. Now, my store had them marked $1.34, but when they rang out actually 99 cents. So I got an 18-pack of eggs for just 99 cents, which is also a very awesome deal. But if you guys go to coupons.com app, now Walmart was doing this like crazy. They kind of stopped, and now Target is doing this. So if you guys buy 1 pack of eggs up to $2, you guys, okay, you guys will end up getting a refund back. So basically you buy the eggs for 99 cents, but then you guys will get 99 cents back sent to your PayPal account on coupons.com. But then there's also a deal where if you guys submit your receipt on checkout 51 for 15 cents back on eggs. So this ends up becoming a 15-cent moneymaker. So could not go wrong with that. If you don't want it, throw it away.
Let's just eat.
Are you going to eat it? No? Okay. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Then next deal I got is the Oreo mint bars. I was pretty excited to find these. I kind of gave up on the mint ones, but then I finally found them. So these were, I've totally forgot to write the price down. I think these were 89 cents. There's a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys also want to use that 15-cent coupon, 55-cent coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get these for 16 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal. There is a deal on Checo 51 where you guys can get 15 cents back on chocolate. So this could be a 1 penny for one of them, but 16 cents for a candy bar is an awesome price. I ended up doing the Splenda deal because I could not pass this up. Now I keep forgetting I can submit my receipt to Savings Star, because if you spend like 16 bucks you'll get $4 back, so I keep forgetting to do that. So this was,
Just eat it.
no, you can have it, it's cherry. This was $3.49. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon. Now some of you guys said you didn't have it. The $3 off coupon is regional. Some people will get $2 off coupons. Don't touch that, sweetie. So you guys will end up paying 49 cents after the $3 off coupon, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, so this ends up becoming a 51-cent money maker. So that is awesome on that. I ended up also getting the Truvia Nectar. Again, this was $2.99. You guys want to use that $1.50 off coupon from coupons.com. You guys will end up paying just $1.49 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this also a 51-cent moneymaker. So you can't go wrong with free. That. Husband wanted some more Kickstart, so these were $1.49. You guys want to use 40% off of Cartwheel, but then you guys will end up paying $1.78 for both of these, and then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate for 2 on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.03. So that's a pretty decent deal, about 50 cents a piece. The next deal I got is the Roto Dry Aid. Now this is $9.99 at Target. It is there's a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys also want to use that $5 off coupon that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just pay $2.99 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. You can also do this deal at Target. There's 2 different rebates. You can also do this deal at Walgreens and get it for free. There's actually 2 different rebates. So if you guys want to get that item, I ended up getting the Clairol Natural Instincts. Now this is $6.99. There is a $3.50 off coupon from coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $3.49 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 99 cents. There's also a deal where you guys can buy 2. I just had one of those coupons on me, but if you guys bought 2, you got a $5 gift card. So just depends on what you guys want to do, but you can only submit it to Ibotta once. So for 99 cents for hair dye, that is a great deal. I ended up getting the Kavita drinks again because I needed between Walgreens or between Walmart and Target, I needed 12 items to get to finish or to get this bonus. There is this spring bonus that is going on, so I wanted to do that. So I'm like, okay, I'll get 6 rebates at Target and 6 rebates at Walmart. So I ended up just getting the Kavita. So these were on sale for 2 for $5, so $2.50 a piece. There was no cartwheel, so you guys would pay $2.50 a piece for these. But then you guys can submit, hold on, my husband's calling me. Then you guys can submit a $1.15 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.35 a piece. So that wasn't the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys what I got. Okay, so that was my haul. My total came to $16.55 for everything. That was just my Ibotta haul. I did not include the dollar spot because, yeah, you guys can go crazy if you saw the video too. I ended up getting $9.30 back with Ibotta. I also had a 25-cent any receipt, so that was included. I'm gonna get 99 cents back from coupons.com. I also will be getting 15 cents back from checkout 51 for the eggs also. And then since I hit level 1, I got a 50-cent that's what it is, 50 cents for level 1. So it's kind of lame, but hey, 50 cents is 50 cents. So if you add everything together, I ended up paying $5.61 for 12 items. That comes out to be just 47 cents a piece, which could be an okay deal. I mean, I think I did pretty good. I mean, I got a lot of freebies, plus, you know, some things here and there. But you guys know the drill. If you guys enjoyed my Target Ibotta haul, please give this video a thumbs up. I do a video for you guys every single Monday, so you guys can finish. But like I said, I've already finished level 1 and 2, so I was pretty excited about that. But you guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.